Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic since yesterday has started to pump to the upside finally, and I also see that the trading volume has increased from $6 million on Binance spot trading all the way to 146 million. Okay, from 6 to 146. So imagine that is a 24-hour trading volume we're talking about, and that is a huge amount of money because it signifies, it actually means that yes, buyers are stepping in. They're actually trying to maintain the prices to climb to the upside. Now, here you are, and you're probably trying to make in a squeeze right now. So you're making almost a pennant on the 1 hour time frame. So if we talk about this pennant, you have this sideways movement right there, and you also have the trend line that is coming right over here. So very soon enough, you're looking for a pop within the next 6 hours. Within 6 hours, you're going to get a pop. So in 6 hours, the expectation is that if you pop to the upside, which I think is going to be the main focus here, then we might be looking at Luna Classic really pushing all the way up to, you can see, 13,578. I do have the first technical target, which is up to 14,272. And the second thing is also up to 16,892. Well, people are still messaging me for the private, and today, by the way, is going to be the last day for you to enter the private. So if you want to be a part of it for June, do message me on Discord. Link is in the description. Now, the next thing, I've already told you about the pennant, which is a good thing, which I think is going to play out. Another thing is that we are above the EMAs finally. Okay, we are about to get in a nice, good, solid bull cross. Now, when do you sell Luna Classic? I have Luna Classic. As a matter of fact, we are trading Luna Classic on the private, and I told you this for free almost 20 days ago. I told you for totally free that yes, I'm buying Luna Classic here, and I might buy Luna Classic 50% when it comes to the downside at 5,500. But I ended up buying everything right over here, 10,000. My entry was 10,800. We're sitting at nearly 12,000. Yesterday we went up to 13,000. So we're pretty much like 22-30% in profit, and we're still holding it. We're still holding it because at least I do believe that this is somewhere you're really aiming for, 16,892. And yeah, I'm even going to tell you how much I'm in this trade. So $1,150 is the trade that I'm taking on Luna Classic, and if it actually comes to 16 something like that, I'm getting out with 1750, I guess, right? So that is almost like $600 in profit that I'm gonna have, all right, just from Luna Classic alone. So thing is, you can sell it on the daily based on the RSI. Now the RSI is still climbing up, and you're still in the middle, right? You're still in the middle. That means you have the room to even climb higher. Previously, I told you the sideways movement is happening and there's a bullish divergence, and this is really what forced me to buy Luna Classic. That bullish divergence was awesome. But one fact is that Luna Classic took almost 45 days for consolidation, right? So ever since 14th of April, and now we're coming until the end of May, this is almost 1.5 months, almost 46 days of consolidation. Now, tell me a good reason why we won't go to the upside. And we're also about to get a bull cross. Yesterday we made a nice statement with a green closing as well. The bull cross is coming in. You have a pennant on the 1 hour time frame. Things are looking damn good. Volume is kicking in. What can I say, right? Just sit down, wait, and enjoy the ride. That's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.